The third type in the first category is herringbone gear. Herringbone gears are equivalent to two helical gears secured together, one with right hand helix and the other one with left hand helix. Check this picture. Due to this, axial thrust in meshing gear is nullified. These gears can run at very high speed with less noise and vibrations. So, these gears are more quiet with high load carrying capacity and no axial thrust. Due to complex construction, these gears are difficult to manufacture and expensive as well. The fourth type of gear in the first category is a rack and pinion. Rack and pinion is a special type of gear wherein wheel is of infinite diameter. So, the pitch circle is a flat line. With this arrangement, a rotary motion can be converted into translatory motion or vice versa. These gears are used in lathe machines, drilling machine, steering mechanism of automobile and pressure gauges. Second category is intersecting shaft axis gears, and the type of gear is called as bevel gear. Bevel gears are used to transmit power between two shafts whose axes are intersecting with each other. The gears are cut on a frustum of a cone. If straight teeth are cut pointing towards the intersection of axis of rotation and vary in length throughout their length, the gear is called straight bevel gear. Check this picture and animation. Bevel gears of same size and transmitting power at 90 degree are called meter gears. If the teeth are cut at an angle like this, the bevel gear is called spiral bevel gear. Spiral bevel gears are smooth in operation compared to straight bevel gear. These are used in differential and steering systems in automobiles. Third category is non-intersecting and perpendicular shaft axis gears, and the type of gear is called worm and worm gear. This is the worm and this one is worm wheel. Worm and worm gears are used for very large reduction ratio, almost close to 100:1. That is, when worm will turn through 100 rotations, worm wheel will turn through only one rotation. Worm is the only driver and worm wheel is driven. This gear is non-reversible. This gear is used in hoisting crane, dam gates and guitars. Fourth category is non-intersecting and non-perpendicular shaft axis gears, and the type of gear is spiral gear. In case of spiral gears, the axes are not perpendicular and even not intersecting. The teeth are also cut at an angle. Please check this picture and this animation. Let's go through classification based on peripheral velocity. Under this, we are having three categories. The first one is low velocity gears, second one is medium velocity gears, and the third one is high velocity gears. If the peripheral velocity is up to 3 meters per second, the gears are called as low velocity gears. If peripheral velocity is between 3 to 15 meters per second, the gears are called as medium velocity gears, and if the peripheral velocity is above 15 meters per second, the gears are called as high velocity gears. The next classification is according to type of gearing. In this one, we are having internal gearing, external gearing, and rack and pinion. This one is the internal gearing. This one is the external gearing, and we already had a discussion regarding rack and pinion. So this one is the rack and pinion. With this, we complete classification of